How to delete your Flirt account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can delete your Flirt account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Flirt account, all you have to do is just open up your browser and then make sure you log into your account by going to flirt.com over here. So I'll make sure to drop a link below. Just go to flirt.com or the website and then click on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called My Settings. You just want to go to the option called My Settings. Now once you go to the option called My Settings, make sure you're under My Settings here. You might want to scroll down to the bottom and then you'll find the option called Remove Account, which is at the very bottom right. So just click on this option. So for security reasons, it'll ask you to go ahead and simply enter your password. So go ahead and then enter your password and then click on the option called Continue right over here. Once you click on the option called Continue, right over here you can select why you want to actually go ahead and then remove your account. So right over here, take off the mailing list, hide my profile and take me off the mailing list. But to delete it, select remove my profile, contacts and personal information completely. So you have to just select that option, and then after that you just want to select the option called Continue from the bottom right hand side, and right over here you can just select any of the reasons elsewhere and then just select the option called Continue, and then you should be able to delete all of your account by just selecting I want to delete my account over here and then choose the option called Continue. And right over here you can see again we'll press the Continue button. There are just 2 minute verification, and that's all it takes to go ahead and then delete your Flirt account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.